Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 6 and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode, so let's change it by simply tapping on video from the right. Here we are. Now let's go to left corner button, so we get access to more options about video we can manage with more settings. Let's pick them to open camera options, and here we have to slide a little bit to video category. Now at the first place we have video stabilization, so from the right, by tapping on this button we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also let's move back to video preview. We have to now focus on this button from the right. When we pick it, we can change the type of video stabilization from standard to locked, active or cinematic pan, so this is also useful. As you can see, we get access to a short tutorial about all of these features, so you can also read this and see the examples of these stabilizations. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.